Hi, welcome to Office 365 Talks. So in the previous video, I have introduced you to my channel and then Office 365 course. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to create trial for Office 365 so that before actually purchasing the licenses, you just create a tenant and then you start using Office 365 so that you become used to Office 365 apps and services, and then you can verify your domain and then start using Office 365 for your organization. So we just gonna see how to create trials for Office 365. So it comes with the different subscriptions, business essential, business premium, enterprise. But for now we're gonna select one of the subscription and we're gonna just start using it. So let's go ahead and over here I'm choosing subscription which is Office 365 Enterprise E3 now, and I'll just try to create a trial from that. So let's see how to do it. It's very simple. Just type the name of the plan over here. So Office 365 Enterprise E3. Official page will open, and then if you're able to, you can see over here free trial. So click on this link. So you'll be redirected to to a page where you can set up new tenant. So tenant is basically the company name, you can say, and okay, so welcome. So I'll just create a new trial now. I can provide your phone number over here. Over here you need to provide your company name. So 365 talks. Like that, you need to provide your company name and then your organization size. You need to proceed, and over here you need to provide a one email ID. You need to create one user ID, which will be your for login into the portal, Office 365 portal. So you just need to create one user ID first, and then you can add multiple users. I'll also show you that in my upcoming videos. So as of now, I'm just preparing one user ID, and I've named it administrator admin. So this will be a global administrator, and then company name. So now create the password for this. Create my account. Over here you need to provide a mobile number. No need to provide like any number you can provide, but it should be with you right now because code will be texted over there, and they need to provide that over here. So I got a verification code. So it's click on next. It's processing. So you can see as we have directly created trial from the live subscription itself, so it's assigning the licenses automatically as well. So start setup. So my trial has been created, and now it will be redirected to portal.office.com, where you can see all the applications and all will get set up now. So it's an admin portal now. Okay, so basically Office 365, Microsoft 365, you know, Microsoft 365 is a bundle of Office 365, Windows 10, and Enterprise Mobility and Security. So you can see whether you're taking a trial of Office 365 or Microsoft 365, the name remains the same, because earlier in Office 365 it was showing Office 365 Admin Center, but now this has also been changed, and the name is Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So similarly, like each and everything, like slowly, all the Office 365 name is been like converted to Microsoft 365. So you can see the pages come up like where would you like to start. So of course, uh, after getting the trial, we can get started with all these apps and these email services. But you know, I'll just get started with these sort of email, because I don't want to install the applications on my system, because I already have the applications. So just uh, starting with, you know, getting started with email and all. So the first option came is connect to domain you already own, and or continue using Office 365 talks, on Microsoft.com. So by default, when you create a trial or when you purchase a subscription, so by default, you'll be getting an email ID like admin@your company name dot on Microsoft.com. So on Microsoft.com will be added as a domain. But if you have a domain, if you have already purchased a domain, you can verify a domain over here. Connect a domain you already own. So you can provide your domain name and go ahead with it. Or if you don't have a domain, you can just start with, on Microsoft.com, and after that, all these steps are processed, you can get a domain and verify a domain over here. And if you're using some other applications, other services like Google Suite or something else, some other webmail service or something, then of course you need to, if you need to migrate to Office 365, then the migrations needs to be done, and then the verification domain will be done, and then in the DNS records will be managed as per Office 365 as well. So as of now, I'm just not verifying any domain. I'm just continuing with onmicrosoft.com. So you can see everything is set up right now, and so by default 25 license has been assigned if you get a free trial. And so this list you have, which you're seeing over here, is for adding the users, and anyways you can add the users later. So I'll just go and click on next. We'll add the users later. So all set up. Now if you want to rate the experience, you can go ahead and give it. And now go to the admin center. So this is the Office 365 admin center, and yeah, so that's it. this is how we create a trial. And once you create a trial for your organization, you can just um, you get a 1 month of trial initially, and then of course there's option of extending the trial. And after creating a trial, you can use Office 365. You can use the services, and then you can like you can get a hands-on experience of these applications and services. And after that, you can purchase the plans accordingly. And the previous video I've already shown given you the link uh, from where to get the subscriptions and the costing and all. You can compare all the subscription and costing. So yeah, this is how we create a trial for Office 365. And before you actually purchase a subscription, or you directly can purchase a subscription, but but creating a trial and then getting experience of the service and applications, it's very useful. So yeah, this is how we can create a trial. And that's it from this video. uh, and yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. And please wait for the next upcoming videos. Will be you know I'll be covering, of course, as I said in the introduction, I'll be covering all the basic steps and all the basic features and everything. So thank you so much.